Alright guys, we're back at KFC again, and we're just chilling eating. Crap. Oh, sorry about the recording of my last video. I didn't know it'd mess up the recording.
Today I'm wearing a white hoodie.
We are gonna do a burping challenge after we eat. Eat that fry, you sexy bastard.
It's like this.
Fuck.
Sorry, I couldn't choke about that. This is the choke.
Oh. I just can't resist.
Well, this video is of us eating this.
Yeah, so far. We'll get your burping challenge after we were done eating. I'm almost done.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, now let me see.
I was weak.
Wasn't even with his board.
It has started. Better eat this.
Alright, the challenge has already started. We just need to get fully ready. Alright, let's go. Let it sit. Aftertaste. It's not like an old man.
Probably.
So I like an old man trying to fart. Bitch. Oh, hold on. Aftershock.
Oh, God. I don't feel like one's gonna just come out. I already know it. It's gonna be like that one. I'm pretty out of soda. Yeah, I'm already out. This one's out of the bag. Cause that would. Excuse me, Jesus.
Yo, she's pissed.
I know.
She's disgusted. Alright. You fucking dick! Dude, fucking stop. Fuck. No, I can't. Dude, stop the fucking kite. Fucking stop. I will break your balls.
Because you can fit in there. Bet you it would just fall right out.
Sure.
Bet you she wouldn't feel anything. Bet you would be so small that she couldn't even feel anything.
She can see it.
I bet, no, you know what I bet? You know what I bet? I bet you she'd be like, is it in yet? Whenever it was already in. This kid thinks he's got the biggest dick in the ball.
Says the one who's so fucking fat. Trying to accuse me. Nothing on me.
Excuse me. Your ribs are higher, mine are more deep. Drink that. Oh yeah, look at all that stuff going on the straw. Yeah, fuck that pussy, fuck this pussy, fuck this pussy, fuck this. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna go get more soda.
This fast is gonna go get more soda.
Dude, look, I found
Pepsi is best for burping.
No, Sierra Mist, dude.
I don't care what any of you say, Pepsi.
Oh yeah, I can really feel it.
I was your best burp yet, but you still can't top me.
I told you.
Wow. Nice, you son bitch.
Well, that was disgusting. Jesus Christ.
I don't know if you can hear that on camera, but like, it was still just like, I don't know.
It sounds way funnier in person than it does on camera.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, dude.
And I'm only like 3'6" and he's like 4'8".
Now I'm 5'2".
Yeah.
I'm 5'2". Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ.
Now you don't know how short I am.
Let's just say I'm like 5'2". He's like 4'11",
4'6".
4'10", or 4'6". That's all you are?
Yeah.
You're positive. So you mean you're telling me you're 4'6". Alright, that's not the only thing I have 6 inches.
Well, I got some 4 feet. Nick, you drink so much at the same time, or you just ruin it.
Is that really what it is? How much am I supposed to drink?
You only take a couple sips. Like,
There you go.
it's like 3 sips. And then
You like put down your face like that.
You go like, and then like you gotta like keep it all in and then just let it sit for a second. And like when you feel it coming up, push it back down and then let it out. Pepsi's the way to go. This is a big one, I think. No. Jesus, dude. Cheez-Its fries.
I'm gonna do it now. Eat my big one. I dare you to. It's not that hard.
Alright guys, my phone's about to die. We're gonna stop the recording here. Alright, like and subscribe. Comment down below what we should do next. Someone said farting challenge. We're not gonna do that. Maybe, but probably not. Any other challenges we should do like at Walmart or something, but because we're probably gonna get kicked out of this place. Alright, so bye guys. Subscribe to my friend Destiny Sky, whatever.
Destiny Sky Productions.
Alright, bye.